How to fix mobile view issues on Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace website dashboard, and then from here, let's go to the website editor. So just click website and then click edit. So from here, you can see my Squarespace website right here. And then what you can have is that you have your desktop view and then you have your mobile view. So sometimes when you create a design in desktop view, it doesn't translate well in the mobile view. So what you should do is that you can go to mobile view and adjust your design so that it will look good on mobile phones as well. So for example, I'll just create a new section right here, and then I will design it however I want. For example, I can add like an image right here. Then I'll just browse for some stock images, for example, this one. And then I can duplicate this. And then I can adjust the size however I want, like this, like that. And then for this one, I can change the image right here. For example, I want to use this one, and I can just adjust. Then what I can also do, I can add a text block like that. So for example, like this. And then, for example, I'll add another image right here. Then I can replace how it looks. So for example, I can use this one. And then, for example, let's add like a shape block right here. And then let's change the color. For example, to this blue color right here. And then I can go to layers and then adjust the shape behind the image so that we can see how it will look like this, so that it has kind of like this border. And then, for example, we're done. We can click save. Now we can see how it looks on the mobile view. So usually the mobile view of your Squarespace website is responsive. So it will do its best to translate all of the elements in the mobile view of your Squarespace website. So as you can see, we have the desktop view looking like this. But when we go to the mobile view, you will have a shorter image for this blue image right here. But still you have your text. And then we have the image right here. But as you can see, there is a problem. Now, for the mobile view, the blue shape is now outside the image right here. Even though what we did on the desktop view is that we overlapped the blue shape and then the image right here to create this border effect. So to fix that in the mobile view, you can just go ahead, go to mobile view, and then just adjust the image right here. Go to layers and then adjust the layer of the shape and then the image right here as well, so that you still have this border effect right here. Then you can go ahead and adjust the shape however you want. And then you can just adjust the section right here so that you don't have too much space. And then that is it. So you can just go to the mobile view and then see what is wrong with the difference in the look of the desktop view and then the mobile view. Then you can go ahead and fix all of the issues yourself. And then that is it. So I hope you learned.
how to fix mobile view issues in Squarespace, and thank you for watching.